chocolate ice cream and vanilla ice cream.
All right, we are making nice cream. Welcome back to the Urban Pharmacy Kitchen. Cooking with Cohen. We're actually uncooking because it's raw. So, you want to make it? You want to make it on your own? Okay. Remember that these are halves, so we have to count them, you know. So that's 1, 2, 3. Cohen wants to do the video completely on his own. Maybe one day. 5. Then we have, I go for 10 bananas today. Because we're gonna 9 and 10. And I have this food service container right here because right here I have multiple of these that we can just freeze bananas in and put them in our chest freezer because that just makes it easier to have bananas on hand, right? So we can make nice cream whenever we want to. Next,
we are
oh boy, whoa, settle down, hold on. This is vanilla bean powder. Organic vanilla bean powder, okay? I'll put it below so that you can see what we get. But for the 8 bananas, we're gonna go in with 2 teaspoons to about a tablespoon of vanilla bean powder. Now, this is pure organic ground vanilla bean. This is not the white fake stuff. Don't get the white fake stuff. It has sugar alcohols and it's just, ugh, it's gross. So, the vanilla bean powder pure is gonna be more expensive, right? And I haven't been using vanilla extract for so long, but it's gonna make, you know, your baked goods taste better. It's gonna be more expensive, but it's so worth it. Okay, so this is gonna be our base. We're gonna do vanilla and chocolate like Cohen said. So we're just gonna pop the thing on. I don't use any liquid. I just let my machine do the work. It's loud, hold on, we'll be back.
So we got our ice cream
It's blending. So just let the machine do the work. I have a 16-cup food processor. I love it so much because I can make large batches of hummus or nice cream or
you can just plop
your stuff in and walk away. That's right. So really the ideal thing to do is to let your bananas thaw for about 5 to 10 minutes before you put them into the food processor just to make it easier on your machine. That's simply the only reason. I know it's not ready. I want to make sure that the blade can go. So the bottom part of the food processor will get done way faster than the top. If your bananas are a little bit too frozen, you might not need to help your machine out, but truly, like if I would have just let my bananas go for 2 more minutes, it would have gone seamlessly and the machine does the entire job. But the blade will heat the bananas up just enough to keep going. So it's going to get nice and creamy. And I just let the machine keep going until everything is creamy and fluffy. And then you can add different flavors at that time. You can add cinnamon, you can add cacao, you can add frozen strawberry, freeze-dried strawberry powder. It's delicious. We're gonna put vanilla next to chocolate. The vanilla bean makes all the difference. If you were to put vanilla extract in it, the alcohol's in it, like it just doesn't taste as good. The flavor doesn't come through. Faster and faster and faster. Okay, so it's just about done. All right. So now wait, hold on. Get a little bit more to scrape over here on the sides, but that's actually okay. It's fine. So we're gonna dish up some of this. Let's look at how creamy it is in the camera. We're gonna get it in the camera. Look how creamy that is. It's so good. And it's just pure vanilla bean and bananas. I mean,
Both bowls are gonna be mine, right?
Both bowls are gonna be yours? You want 2 bowls? Is what you're trying to say?
The different types.
And no, we're gonna put them side by side.
Yeah, I mean, both. I want both bowls.
So we're gonna have like half and half. So we need to fill some more vanilla. Make sure that we have plenty That's, you know, you could do Neapolitan, you could do vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. So good. All right, 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw cacao added to the remaining vanilla batter. What? Okay, there we go. All right. Now, turn it back on. I think the cacao powder needs to be raw. It just makes everything taste better. Plus it contains the antioxidants more so than if you were to buy like cocoa powder, which is heated, and the antioxidants are diminished. They're not all the way gone, but it's better if you get raw. Hold on. Sharing a spoon. All right.
We have made the same one of these.
Yeah. It's chocolate, you know. Okay, so this is like chocolate DQ soft serve or like a Wendy's Frosty. Okay, who needs the gross stuff? Just take it straight from nature. We'll just put them side by side. So chocolate, nah, not if you eat it. Or chocolate and vanilla bean nice cream. Yum, so easy, so affordable, jam-packed with nutrients, high in fiber, disease prevention right here. Enjoy! Cheers!